How to connect Micsig remote controller and precautions. First of all, let's network the oscilloscope. Open the system upgrade. Make sure the oscilloscope has been updated to the latest version. Open the app market and make sure the remote controller app is installed. Now, let's go to the oscilloscope app and start connecting the remote controller. Long press the home button on the remote controller. The button will light up when power on successfully. Then use Type-C cable to connect with the oscilloscope. Open the oscilloscope home page. Settings, remote controller, serial number and percentage of battery power will be displayed when the connection is successful. Unplug the Type-C cable to achieve remote control. Tap the home button to enter the home page of oscilloscope. Tap the home button again to return to the oscilloscope. Tap clear in the oscilloscope remote controller settings, then disconnect. Need to reconnect the Type-C cable to activate.